Despite the sizable land resources available in Ghana, the country is yet to be self-reliant in its agricultural production as it currently imports food staples including rice and tomatoes. The Asantehene bemoans the country's inability to produce some essential crops locally as the youth hunt for white-collar jobs other than pursuing agriculture to boost the economy. Ghana imports rice, tomatoes and other food items, but we complain of hardship. The money used for importation contributes to the depreciation cedi. If we grow these crops locally, we can improve the economy. The youth nowadays prefer staying at the offices than being on the farm.
I'm directed by.
A delegation from the Jabin Traditional Council, including the 2022 National Best Farmer, Nana Yausrebo's son of Asantehene, paid a courtesy visit to the Menchia Palace. The Asantehene, amazed at the achievements of Nana Yausrebo, admonished other traditional leaders to follow in the footsteps of Asantehene to take up agriculture in providing a livelihood for their indigents. Every stool has a land allocated to it, but the chiefs prefer to stay in the cities than to farm on these lands. We should emulate this to build our country. Nana Yausrebo was adjudged the best national farmer at the 38th Farmers' Day celebration for his extensive production in both mixed crop and livestock farming. With current technological advancements in farming, the 43-year-old mechanical engineer reiterated the urgency for the youth to be involved in farming.
With technological advancement, farming is not the hoe and cutlass method that we used to know, and it's not the small-scale method that we used to know. Farming has really advanced, whereby you can do a lot of things with technology that has come up. So it is good for the youth with the education that they have to get themselves involved. And also, as you can see, we have to phase out the aged, you see, and because without farming, without agriculture, as a nation, we cannot survive.
For Joy News, Emmanuel Bright Kweku reporting.